Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best organizational tools for students and office workers alike, the Amazon Basics 4-pack large pencil cases. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and practical way to keep your pens, pencils, and small supplies in order, this product is definitely worth considering. These pencil cases come in a convenient pack of 4, each designed with durability in mind. Made from polypropylene plastic, they offer long-lasting performance that can withstand daily use. Whether you're heading to school, college, or need something for the office, these cases provide a reliable solution to keep your stationery neatly contained. Measuring 8.4 inches long, 5.5 inches wide, and 2.4 inches high, these pencil boxes are spacious enough to hold a variety of items such as pens, pencils, small notepads, erasers, and more. Despite their generous size, they remain compact enough to fit comfortably in backpacks, desks, or drawers. The rectangular shape and single-compartment design make organizing simple and straightforward. One of the standout features is the assortment of vibrant colors available in each pack. You get transparent pink, yellow, blue, and purple cases, adding a splash of color to your school or office supplies while allowing you to easily identify contents at a glance. The secure snap closure ensures that everything stays safely inside, reducing the risk of losing your items while on the go. The lightweight nature of these cases, weighing just over 3 ounces each, means you won't be adding unnecessary bulk to your bag. Plus, Amazon backs this product with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. This pack is ideal not only for students who want to keep their supplies tidy but also for professionals who appreciate organization and quick access to their tools. The material is easy to clean and maintain, making these pencil boxes practical for everyday use. Shipping to India is available, although keep in mind there are additional shipping and import fees. The product ships directly from Amazon.com and comes with the option of a 30-day refund or replacement, aligning with Amazon's customer-friendly return policies. In summary, the Amazon Basics 4-pack large pencil cases combine durability, ample storage, and cheerful colors into a cost-effective organizational solution. Whether for school, college, or office, these pencil boxes help keep your essentials neatly contained and easy to find. If you're looking for a simple, sturdy, and colorful way to organize your pens and pencils, this set deserves a spot on your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next review.